I'm here on the Sons of Anarchy. I've never seen the show. Never ever seen the show. So I hope watching the show is not a requirement. Max bet is going to be $3 for the grand jackpot of $500,000. So I hope if I win the $500,000, they don't ask me questions about the show. Okay, let's play this just a little bit. Nothing. I would like some kind of bonus. Oh, that was 240. It doesn't really look like a show that I would watch. So I have to wonder why I'm playing this. Okay, the little green guy apparently has a lot of money. I'm not really in love. Oh wait, where did I win? Oh, $6.50. Yeah, I'm not in love with Sons of Anarchy. Whoever they are, whatever show it is, I'm never gonna play your machine again. Okay, goodbye, Sons of Anarchy.